What's going on, YouTube? We have here our Echo PB-9010T, and we are going to be replacing the fuel filter and the air filter on it. I'm going to show you how. Quick and easy. You can do it yourself. All right, first we're going to get started with this fuel filter. It's very easy. Pull your cap out. Get yourself a some type of pick. I like one with a little hook on it. Just reach down in there, and essentially you're just going fishing. So I struggled with that unnecessarily. We've got our replacement here. All right, just take our clip, our spring, and we will pull it on over. Okay. That's it. And then it always helps, I found this, professionally speaking, when you drop it in, if you go, woo, the fuel filter is complete. I like to change these at least twice a year. This Echo 9010, it sucks some fuel up and can clog these bad boys, so I went ahead and bought two. Okay. One clip, two clip, pop this out. This foam will usually be stuck in the top. Just go ahead and grab it out. Take your air filter. Pew-wee! That's dirty. If you need to clean any of this out, you can. Mine looks pretty good. I'm gonna seat that in. And then we'll drop our foam in. It's like a pre-filter, if you will. Place it on, seat it, one clip, make sure we're not crushing anything, two clip. She's all set, ready for another year of fantastic leaf blowing or anything else. Over the winter in North Carolina, Charlotte, we got a bunch of snow. Well, I don't have a snow shovel, so I just took the PB-9010 and went blasting on the driveway. It pulled up the ice, blew the snow. I did my neighbor's yards while I was at it. It's fantastic, man. I love this thing. You know, the Stihls, a lot of people like them. I had Stihl before I switched to Echo on pretty much everything, and they were fine. You know, I noticed a lot of the crews will run Stihl, and in my opinion, they're quieter. They have more of like a deep groan, where the PB-9010 is like a dirt bike engine on crack. It's well, I like that. I wear hearing protection, full send. It's a fantastic blower. All right, y'all. Thanks, friends. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. We'll see you soon.